you coming? Hi, welcome to Andaz. This is our first day at Andaz and I'm so excited. And they have kindly upgraded us to city view. The normal rooms are facing Kampong Glam, so I think this is not too bad. And then when you come in straight, there's like a door, so you can like open. I think it works both ways. The layout of the rooms are quite interesting because like we've been to quite a number of hotels, but we haven't got like hotels that are this kind of pattern. The ID, correct? The interior design of the room is a bit different. Welcome to our rest area. They have a TV here, Samsung TV, and it's the mister like this a lot because you can. I'm not sure how long you can extend it to, but you can watch TV from the other side, or you can watch TV from your bed. And then we have this like small area. You usually don't have this kind of table that can, like it's a round table, small one, and for you to sit here, and then if you want to snack and you want to eat your cup noodles, for us like we like to snack and eat cup noodles for supper, we can do so. So they have like quite a few cushions here that is quite comfy, soft. So they have a few electrical ports here. You can charge your phone. I'm not sure what is this thing for though. What's this thing for? Don't know, yeah. So but this one you can put your HDMI thing. I hope it works. I haven't tried it yet. And a few USB cable ports here. So this is the view. It's very bright because we checked in at 12 plus. Now it's about 1-ish. And then if you can see, right, there are like, you know, the small dot one. Dotted to save the earth. These solar dots reduce heat. Let's go to the mini bar area. So here we have complimentary water bottles, and then this is the mister's favorite. You can have the coffee in the morning, and then there's a little teapot. Oh, so like there's a little teapot. If I don't want to drink tea, I will just drink because I want to use this pot because it's cute. And they have like small cups that is very cute also. And then here we have tea packets, TWG. This is new, Longqing China. I haven't tried this before. English breakfast, yes. Oh, white sky tea, haven't tried this before too. Grand jasmine tea, tried this before. And they give like disposable cups, and they have this interesting snack here. This is like a childhood snack, right? I didn't just swallow my saliva.
This is a mini bar. It is complimentary as well. They have Kit Kat, Milo, and orange juice,
and a little kettle at the back. Can use this to boil the water. This is the big bed. This is king size bed. I think it's quite big. And this is the bedside table, and it's interesting. They have this here. Okay, so the notepad, you can write it. The pen is cute. It's orange. So yeah, here, and then you can charge stuff here also. And cannot. Yeah, and the drawer is here. It's quite interesting. I haven't seen this kind of design before. And right here again, they have another door. Welcome to the toilet. It's actually quite dim in the toilet. The lights are not so bright. My favorite thing in the toilet is actually, if you have watched my previous video, I'm a big fan of like LED light mirrors. But the thing is, this one you cannot and press lah, okay? But it's like, I love it. I feel like a goddess here because the lighting very nice. The stuff that they use, right, I went to Google his name. It's called Christophe Ludemel, okay? I haven't tried it yet, but I think you should smell. Okay, not bad. I'm excited to use it. But okay, one thing I feel right, if you're here for long, I can actually feel the heat. Oh, I didn't see this. Hey, they changed already. They changed all the packaging. Just a little disappointed, but yeah, I guess it's fine. This is a hairbrush, shower cap, razor, cotton bud, toothbrush, cotton pads, and the hair dryer is here, which is good. It's not attached. I can like bring it to the side of the bed and put my hair. And there's like a little chair here. Ah! Okay. Okay, plugs here. And if you're wondering, right, here's the toilet. Where's the shower area, right? It's just right behind you. And I'm going in. And same thing, they use Christophe Laudermilk, okay? Shampoo, hair balm, shower gel. They have the rain shower as well as the shower head. Oh, the handle is also a bit different. I think it's to suit the theme. And that's all. Just kidding. I'm going to show you a secret compartment of this room. It's actually the space where you do your business and pee. It's very interesting because I think usually they don't separate too much, like the shower area and their toilet area, right? It's quite interesting. They have this like little sink here. And this little dustbin that is very cute. Oh. Oh, okay. And now we are at the wardrobe, the open concept wardrobe. We hang our clothes here. I think we might use this space to put our luggage, right? And here we have safe. And this is, I don't know, for you to put your laundry. Just pull out like that. Another reason why I will stay here is because of this. Interesting, right? Very Singapore style. So if you're thinking, there's the iron, where's the ironing board, right? They concealed it here. It's just right here, All the things you must need to find, right? Like, it's not like commonly placed. It's quite interesting. So you need to think like, where's the thing at? Yeah, so the iron is here. If you close it, you wouldn't even know it's there. So you can close the door here. So this place, right, is very interesting. Like there's this toilet out of nowhere in the middle, right? So and then we have this like full-length mirror here to see yourself. We're gonna go for lunch now. We're excited. See you later. Okay, so if you're wondering why am I like rushing, it's because the mister is out to Pao food, and then I'm going to rush to do birthday decorations. So let's go. So I actually brought this. Actually, I don't have to whisper, right? Yeah. So I actually brought this secretly. I kept it inside my bag, and it was quite funny because I actually tried to inflate the balloon, right? And yeah, I cannot get the air out of the balloon, so it was quite fail. Yup. So I'm gonna like quickly do like some simple decorations. I hope he doesn't like come back before I finish. So I got this thing here. It's like happy birthday. I need to string the thing first. Or should I blow the balloon first? Oh yes, okay, I think maybe I should blow the balloon first. So cute. Actually, I don't know why I choose rose gold. I think cause I like it. Okay. Okay. Okay, great. Happy birthday! Correct, right? Okay. Okay, I'm beginning to regret. I thought it was easy. Okay, I guess this is fine. Since we have some time, this is what they gave us. Happy anniversary. It is 7:57 now. So I've went to like unlock. I mean, cause usually if he goes out and dabao alone, I will lock the door, but I left it unlocked, and I purposely draw the curtains. If not, he will see the reflection of like where I'm hiding now. So now it's like 7:57. It's already 10 minutes past already since I'm coming back now. It's 8:02 now. He's not back. Is he lost? I very kanchong. It's like, correct or not? 7:47. You say you're coming.
Hello.
You expected?
No lah.
But why you so calm one?
Weird ma, don't know where you.
But you came from here, meh?
Then. Oh man.
Anyway, are you surprised?
Yeah.
Yeah, by the face like that one. Okay. Let's have dinner. The burger lobster is here. Hi. We are finally done with prepping. I am finally done with prepping and we are going out for lunch at
Early bird.
Early Bird. Yeah. So what are we going to eat at Early Bird?
They are famous for the fried chicken and waffle lor.
Law. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Right. So today is the second day that we're staying here. I like how their tiles are quite different. Kind of like a resort feel, but it's still luxurious resort feel kind of thing, but you're still like at a hotel, you know, kind of thing. One thing I would think that is a bit eek is the toilet. It's not that like brightly lit. So when I was doing my makeup earlier on, I had to like run to 3 different mirrors and like look, but there wasn't like the perfect lighting, because usually I like to do my makeup with the natural sunlight. Yeah, but the service they are not bad. When we were checking in yesterday, it was good, but when we request for something like housekeeping, water, like probably like extra towels or stuff, they take very long. And yesterday when we asked for extra pillows, right, it took I think about half an hour for the thing to come. Oh, the hairdryer is very strong. It's like you're on like the first mode, right? It's like your hair can dry almost like instantly. Maybe can fight with Dyson. Or the aircon? I don't know. It's like you set it at 21-ish, 23 degrees, but it's like hot. Not hot, but cold to cold, you know, kind of thing. And then the ventilation, because if you see a few minutes earlier, right, the shower area is actually like in the middle of the room. So it's like right smack in the middle, and there's not much ventilation. So like, yeah, overall it's a very comfy stay. Just that probably I think the housekeeping or the request can be quicker. We have one more night to go, and I hope we will have a good rest before we go back home. Okay, so we finally tried this when I tapao this thing. It's called the Pao Fan thingy. So I got the lobster Pao Fan. This is the lobster one. The lobster king of Pao Fan. Lobster Pao Fan. And this one is the fish. Wow, ASMR. Okay, it's tasty but it feels a bit oily. But we're gonna enjoy it. Bye bye. We're gonna check out and we're gonna leave this here. This man is 30.